Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So I just left New Jersey this morning. I'm back in Florida today. It was 30 degrees in New Jersey. I did not enjoy the temperature while I was up there, but it's 75 degrees in beautiful Florida. So all three shops are busy. We're blessed. We just had the honor of working on Jason's white Trex. So Jason's wanted to get his audio done by us. He was putting together a game plan on what he wanted to do. We've been talking back and forth for about 2 years, and everything lined up. There were scheduling issues. He couldn't get in touch with me. Then everything lined up perfectly, and we linked up, and he dropped the bike off, and we got it done for him this week. He left it up to me as far as equipment choices, so we've built a lot of these. So I wanted to build him something solid, reliable, that he can enjoy, that he could beat on, and it would perform. And he left it up to me, so we use the equipment that we're comfortable with, and he's completely happy with the way it sounds and the way it looks. So he's got the dash conversion with the iPad mini, so we wired up a charging port on the iPad mini for him. We did 2 charging cables, one for the mini that stays permanently docked, and one so he can charge his phone. We went with a Bluetooth setup, so we didn't have to add the radio to the dashboard. So we use an audio control Bluetooth. He can stream directly to the Bluetooth, either using his phone or the iPad. We went with 2 cicada amplifiers to drive the mids, and so the one amplifier drives the tweeters and the kick panel speakers. The other amplifiers bridge to the speaker pods. We used Sound Digital 3000.1 to push the Ground Zero Hydrogen Slim 10 that we like to use in these. Upgraded the battery to a Limitless Nano HD V3. All NVS Audio oxygen-free copper wiring, HKI Mini DSP. The install came together beautifully. I really love the way this thing sounds. It looks nice and clean. The Cicada grills make it look factory, nice finished. In the kick panels that come on these come with a pivot mount for like a 25mm card tweeter. Pee-wee flattened them out so we could do a 25mm horn, then rewrapped it in vinyl so it looks nice and flush. The tweeter sits flush. The 6.5-inch speaker, we went with CHs in the kick panels. They sit nice and flush, and just the install came out incredible. Check it out. Looks good, sounds good. He's happy, I'm happy, and I'm happy to be back in Florida because it's nice and warm here. Check out the build. Either braids or weave, skirt or jeans, still my queen.
Baby girl, go do your thing. I'm so glad you're on mine. You are so beautiful. So beautiful. It is so pretty. Girl, you look so crucial. Something about you is everything. You are
Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. The party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he around?
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Jason's been patiently waiting for 2 years to be able to drop off his T-Rex for us to do the audio upgrade. Are you completely happy with the audio upgrade?
Super content. I waited, it was worth the while. You want it done right, come see Carlos.
Thank you, I really appreciate it. Thank you for trusting us with your beautiful bike.
Thank you.